Good morning. The bulls continued their rampage on the Indian bourses even as the world markets took a breather of sort following Monday's big rally. At least for the day, they may have to put up with the RBI. One only hopes that the RBI does not spoil the party as it takes a mid-quarter review of its monetary policy today. Expectations are that it will most probably go ahead with another hike before considering any pause. The start is expected to be flat to slightly lower on indecisive global cues, but the finish may be different if bulls have their way. Looks like the liquidity support from FIIs is negating uncertainty on the external front. Stronger than expected July IIP data set off the current frenzy. A moderating inflation added to the euphoria, and a less hawkish RBI commentary may come more than handy. Global factors are important as well, but of late India has shown a tendency to overlook the bad overseas events. FI inflows are robust and are unlikely to see any material reversal. All eyes will be on the next batch of quarterly results next month. So ride the current momentum, but do not forget that speed thrills only kills. The Nifty is likely to face resistance around 5,880 to 5,900, while near-term support is expected to kick in at around 5,790. Meanwhile, RIL, SBI, Tata Steel and Bajaj Auto have reported strong advance tax numbers. FIIs were net buyers of Rs 22.15 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday provisionally as per the NSE website. Local funds were net sellers of Rs 9.09 billion. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net sellers at Rs 17.73 billion. The other news for the day is RIL seeks 25% price rise for KG Basin gas. SBI is in talks with RBI to form a holding company which will control the equity of the bank. Bharti Airtel will sell telecom towers of its African operations to Bharti Infratel. Ken India forms a panel to ensure governance and protection of minority shareholders with regards to the Vedanta deal. SAIL shortlists 6 investment bankers for the Rs 80 billion FPO. Bharti Airtel is all set to start financial services on mobile phones. TCS has signed a $100 million deal with SuperValu. Tata Motors global sales were up 29% at 85,114 units in August. Sun Pharma to make fresh offer to shareholders of Israel's Taro Pharma to buy remaining shares. Reliance Broadcast Network Limited's out-of-home arm Big Street has acquired the super premium line V of the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation for its outdoor advertising activities for a 5-year period. A Punjab Lloyd Group company has bagged a contract from Saudi Aramco for construction of a pipeline. Relicare is buying 50% stake in Sri Lankan-based broking firm Bartlett Mallory Stockbrokers for $10 million. RBI may express reservations with regards to Jet Airways' proposed $750 million ECB proposal. Indian hotels to invest $3 billion in various projects. Sri Renuka Sugars buys additional 7% stake in NCDEX, taking its total holding in the commodity exchange to 12%. EPFO announces 9.5% interest rate for financial year 2011. Indian Inc. pays 15% higher advance tax in Q2 of financial year 2011. GSM user base grows by 13.5 million in August to 481 million, up 2.9% over July. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a sell on India Cement September future. We recommend traders to sell the stock below levels of Rs 110 with a stop loss to be maintained at Rs 113.50 for a target price of Rs 103. And a sell on JSW Steel September future. We advise initiating short position in JSW September future below Rs 1,219 with stop loss of 1,244 for a target price of Rs 1,168. The derivative strategies are short CESC September future in the range of Rs 418 to Rs 420 for a target price of Rs 405 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 423. And long GMR Infrastructure September future in the range of Rs 59 to 59.50 for a target price of Rs 62 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 57.50. Thank you and have a great day ahead.